How to manage stamina for long runs. In a world where speed is survival, your stamina bar is your most valuable resource. If you run out of breath at the wrong time, you're as good as zombie food. This tutorial will teach you the art of stamina management for those long cross map treks and high stakes escapes. Avoid holding down the shift key until your bar is empty. Instead, use the tactical jogging. Sprint for 5 seconds and then release the shift key to jog for 10. This allows your stamina to recover slightly while you're still moving. On PC, you can toggle always run in the settings, but manually managing your bursts of speed is what will keep you alive when a sprinter zombie starts chasing you from behind. Your environment offers ways to recover faster. If you find a chair or a bed, use the sit or rest command to quadruple your recovery speed. Slow and steady wins the race, or at least keeps you from being eaten. Like and subscribe for more survival momentum guides.